What are the standard piping sizes available for Kritschner's flow meter? Kritschner's flow meter comes in 2-inch, 4-inch and 6-inch as standard piping sizes. Can it be installed in different piping sizes, that is other than standard sizes? Yes, it can be installed in other piping sizes also by using converters and reducers. Material of the pipe suitable for flow meter installation. Materials like cast iron pipes, PVC, stainless steel, rigid copper pipes are suitable for flow meter installation. Can the flow meter be installed in vertical pipelines? Yes, you can install it in vertical pipelines also. It is no different from horizontal pipelines. What is the battery life of flow meter? Battery life of flow meter is completely dependent upon the transmission frequencies. It can easily run up to 12 months under standard conditions. What is the use of switch or button on the device? Button has two functionalities. If you enter the button for once, it gives you the total volumetric flow of liquid in the flow meter. If you press it again, it gives you the real-time flow of liquid in liters per second. Is installation different for AC powered flow meter? Installation for AC powered flow meter is no different from battery operated flow meter. How can I see my data online? You will be provided with a username and password to access your data on dashboard. What is the frequency of data transmission? Our flow meter's data transmission can be customized over the air. For best battery life, we recommend you to have the data transmission point as 1 per day. What is the frequency of data capture and storage? Our flow meter data storage is captured every 1 hour as a standard. You can also customize this over the air. What is the warranty period for flow meter? We provide a standard warranty of 2 years from the date of shipping.